Hi there, friends. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Louann, and I'm so glad that you're here today. Well, if you're following the ketogenic diet, but you still crave the comforting taste of cornbread, today's recipe for keto cornbread is a fantastic solution for you. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through this simple, easy-to-follow recipe so that you can start enjoying this Southern classic favorite without sacrificing your low-carb lifestyle. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let's jump right in with the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, you're going to combine 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now omit the salt if you're using salted butter. Honestly, I have started omitting the salt altogether. It's really up to you and your taste preference. Now stir these dry ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to move on to the wet ingredients. Go ahead and add your 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 eggs, and the 3/4 cups of shredded cheese. You can use any type of shredded cheese. I am using shredded cheddar. Using almond flour is a very popular choice for keto baking. It's also gluten-free, which makes this an excellent substitute for traditional wheat flour in keto and gluten-free recipes. Have you tried a keto cornbread before? This is our favorite, but if you have any tips or tricks for making keto bacon even more delicious, please share your secrets in the comments below. Okay, now that everything is mixed together, we're going to add the mix to your muffin cups or your skillet. Now this recipe is for 8 muffins, but today I'm making 12 smaller ones. If using a skillet, you'll bake it in your 400 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. 8 muffin cups for 13 to 15 minutes. Or of course the goal is always to bake until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Now for these 12 cups I did today, I baked them for 12 minutes and they came out perfect. Now once your keto cornbread is done, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for just a few minutes and serve it warm. Now you can store this cornbread in an airtight container for 1 week, and it pairs perfectly with any keto-friendly chili, soup, or as a side dish for barbecues. Remember to share in the comments below any keto cornbread recipe that is your favorite, or share any modifications or creative additions you made to this recipe. We love hearing all about your heart-filled kitchen experiments. Now before you go, be sure to give this recipe a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. Well, thanks again for being here today, friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!